From N5 to JLPT N4. This is lesson number 43. So today let's talk about this grammar pattern, ような and ように. ような and ように means like, similar to. It is used to compare something to another thing. Grammar format is this. ような plus noun. This grammar format means like, similar to. It is used before a noun. But the second one, ように plus verb. This means to do something like in the same way. So there is those two grammar formats, and the meaning changes a little bit. So let's now focus on the first case. ような plus noun describes a noun, and it works like an adjective. So the grammar format is this. Noun のような noun. So a noun comes after this ような, and this ような functions like an adjective. For example, he is like a teacher is this. 彼は先生のような人です。Noun のような and another noun. So this part describes this noun. This part modifies a noun, so it functions like an adjective. Another example. This is a story like a dream. これは夢のような話です。Noun のような another noun. So again, this part is modifying this noun, so it functions just like an adjective. Now let's move on to the second grammar format, ように. So this time, this grammar format describes how an action is done. This means like in the same way as something. Grammar format this time is this. Noun のように and a verb. So this time, not a noun but a verb comes at the end. For example, 彼女はモデルのように歩きます。She walks like a model. Noun のように and a verb. So this time not a noun but a verb. So she walks just like a model does, in the same way as a model does. Second one, 鳥のように空を飛びたい。Noun のように and a verb. So I want to fly in the sky like a bird, in the same way as a bird does. So this time there is no noun but a verb. So ような versus ように. The difference is this. ような modifies a noun, like something. This functions like an adjective. On the other hand, ように modifies a verb, to do like something. That's the difference between ような and ように. Example comparison. A person like a teacher. 彼は先生のような人です。He is a person like a teacher. Noun のような noun. So this part modifies a noun. It functions like an adjective. But another one is this. Speaks like a teacher. 彼は先生のように話します。This time, this part is not a noun, but instead this is a verb. To do like a teacher. He speaks like a teacher. He does this action like a teacher. So this time, the first sentence This part modifies a noun, but the second one modifies a verb. That's the big difference. Now I'd like you to do this exercise. Stop the video and translate the sentences. When you are ready, please come back. Now the answers. She dances like a robot. 彼女はロボットのように踊ります。Noun のように and a verb. So this one is modifying a verb. Therefore, it has to be のように not のような。Next one. This is a place like heaven. ここは天国のような場所ですね。So this time, 天国のような modifies a noun. Therefore, noun のような and another noun. Third one, I want to swim like a fish. 魚のように泳ぎたい。This one is modifying a verb. Swim like a fish. Therefore, noun のように and a verb. Last one, he has eyes like a cat. 彼は猫のような目をしている。So this one is modifying a noun. I, therefore, noun のような and another noun. Now I will read the sentences, so please repeat after me. 彼女はロボットのように踊ります。ここは天国のような場所ですね。魚のように泳ぎたい。彼は猫のような目をしている。Very good job. So lastly, I have this homework for you. Translate the sentences into Japanese and put your answers in the comments below. I will check and collect your homework. みんな今日もありがとう。I will see you again in the next lesson then. みんなまたね。バイバイ。